Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is No Second Chance. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how you can run codes written online on online platforms like Scrimba.com. We want to show you how you can run them locally. It's not only Scrimba, but related websites. All you need are the following basic things. Download the file from the website, extract it so you can have access to your files, then create React app either with Vite or with React app. But I prefer Vite because Vite can handle the structure in ESC's model. Unlike the experience I had with React app the other time, I wasn't able to run it because it was throwing error when it sees the structure based on ESC syntax. So I recommend Vite for this project. So I'm going to use Vite here. So the next thing you do after this is to know the files that you need and the ones you need to remove from the installed app. So without wasting time, let's go on to scrimba.com. If you have not registered, please sign up. Sign up is free. Like this is a free 11-hour course presented by Bob Zero, one of the best in business. He actually fixed the missing link in my understanding of React. I owe him a lot. So I go to the lesson. I'll look for the file. This is a Notes app, but I want to use Tenzi game, for example. For this demonstration, I want to use Tenzi game. So I go to Tenzi game. At the bottom right, you see a gear icon. Tap on that. Download as zip. Okay, with that done, I can close the site. Yeah, I can exit. So I go to my downloads folder. I'll see the project app. You see, I've downloaded it multiple times, so that's why I've seen this. So let me just delete some of this to avoid confusion. So this I extract the downloaded file. Yeah, I'll extract it here. This is it. This is the code written online, the one you want to run locally. Good. I will leave this page and then go to command prompt, cmd with admin privilege, run as administrator. Okay. Then I'll go to the folder where I want to have the app installed. So cd c users onward documents. Okay, there I will run this command npm create vit at latest. That's to give us the latest version of it. So the next thing is to name the project. I call it Tenzi, simply Tenzi. Select the framework. I'm going to use React. Scroll down again using your arrow key, select JavaScript, cd into the new folder created, Tenzi, okay. Then run npm install, npm I. This might take some time, so what I'm going to do is to pause the video and then be back after. Okay, with the download done, so we go up to the folder to make sure everything is working fine. We open the code with Visual Studio Code, code.i. We do that. And when that is done, I can close this command line. I'm done with it. So let me have fewer files running. Yes, I trust this. Close this. Okay. Now I'll open a new file explorer in case. I'll put it to the left. Go to documents where I'm hosting the app, still the Tenzi app. So this is the source folder where I have app.css, app.js, index.js. So I don't need the styling, so I'll just delete the styling. I will just delete it. Okay, let me just undo it. Okay. One thing I skipped, let me go to the terminal and make sure that everything is running fine before I delete the files. So in the terminal, I will just run npm run dev to make sure that everything is running fine before I delete those style sheets. So when this is open, I can click on the link with control, or I can just type letter O, short form of open. So it will open the app and we'll see that everything is fine. So I can close it back. So then I go back to what I was showing you before. I need to remove these files the files that I don't need, the style sheet I don't need them. So I delete it. So I then take die.js here, style.css. I bring it to this. Okay. Then I will open this with Notepad. I'll open it with Notepad. Because I have import CSS and stuff like this, I don't want to start bothering myself. I'll just wipe everything. Then I'll open app.js, the one I downloaded from Scrimba site. I'll open it with Notepad. Copy everything. When you look at it, you have import confetti from React confetti. You have import nano ID from nano ID. So what I'm going to do is that these are dependencies. So I have to install them also for this thing to be able to run effectively. So meanwhile, I copy this first. Copy all. Then to the app.js, I paste them there and save. Then I can close this and close the one that, note the difference. The one I downloaded is app.js, while the one installed by Vite is app.jsx. So I copied from app.js and overwrote what is in app.jsx. So with that, I'll make some other adjustments, but I can close this for now. Okay, I needed index.html, but no problem, I can use what I have over there. So now when you come to the source folder, you now see the die is here, this is here. So in the command prompt, let me open a new terminal so that I will run the installation of the dependencies. So I'll just run npm install react -confetti, then nano id, save, hit enter. So while the installation of this is going on, I'll now go back to main.js. You have import this index.css. I don't need it, so I can delete it or I can comment it out. But the best thing is to delete it. With that, I've handled this. I can close this file. Then I go to index.html. I have a style sheet which was downloaded from scrimba.com. So I want to use it to replace whatever they have here. So I want to remove this icon. It's of no use. So I'll just put it as style sheet. Type is text text slash css. Then path the path is dot src forward slash style dot css. Style dot css. Sorry, this arrow has to be here. Okay, so with that I'm done with this index.html. What else have I not handled? I don't think there's any other thing. So we can go back to our terminal and run npm run dev. So if there is any issue, any error, it will show. Yeah, there's an error. Fail to scan for dependencies from entries. Documentation. Okay. I quit. Let me check online what is going on here. Oh, we should go quick. Fail to pass source for import analysis because the content valid tags JSON tags. If you are using JSS, oh sorry, the file was not, the extension was not changed for die.jss. So you need to rename it and make it JSS. Okay. Then we refresh the page. Everything is working, but the styling is not there. So let me check the paths to the styling and see whether they are linked properly or not. Style sheet, text CSS. So this is the error. There's I here. So it's CSS. So we refresh the page. The style is applied. So you can now see we have, okay, everything is fine. You can roll the die, can roll again. Okay, so this applies not only to scrimba.com but every other file. All you need is to know I have to make changes in the app.css, app.jss if I need it, and then you are good to go. So the next thing you can do is to go to, assuming you want to push to github.com, you go to vitconfig.js and include a base for your repo. Base dot slash slash sorry slash slash in between your repo name here. Whatever is your repo name is what will be here. So you'll be able to push to github.com. And with this, you also need to know that you have to add the files, commit the files, push them. And then with GitHub Actions, when you set it up, once you push, you make any changes, your file, everything is updated. The build runs automatically. It rebuilds the whole stuff for you. So I will do that in the next video. Thank you for watching. And if this video is helpful, if you find it useful, you can hit like, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. My name remains No Second Chance.